Alright, we have the shove function, as you can see here. This is the last thing that I'm going to do, the last 15 lines of code, and of course this is more than 15 lines. We counted out just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, so on and so forth. So let's talk about this. The shove function, essentially all it does is different for the car and if the person is the AI or not. Essentially, if it is the AI, I have a time limit of 5 seconds, as you see the comment there, to actually shove. So that essentially makes it so then it's fair, because before, without this, it would every click of the update, it would shove the closest player, and it basically bugged out. It looks like it was vibrating. So that is there for that. So then shove force is just to adjust people. So this close distance and all this type of stuff is what I did last update, was to kind of just make sure that the distance and stuff like that, I calculate distance from the edge and all that type of stuff, just add those values as the max value that it could shove, and then we have the shove force. So basically we calculate the closest car. So with the so right here we have the car and all this type of stuff. We also can't collide with anything, so then we made sure that it wouldn't be able to collide with anything. So we did calculate the closest car by the distance, the closest distance from everything else. So then it, from the last values of the update, it kind of calculates that from the update, from current update of where everything's at. So then do that, and then we have if closest car, and then we calculate the closest car from the math creation.update. So then it calculates from the center of the map with that closest car to where each individual car is, and it uses that value to see where everybody's at to calculate who is actually the closest. So then you do that, if distance is greater than 0, for shove force divided by distance, and then shove that car. So that's what happens when you do that. And this is the last update. Thank you very much.